The star of today's video is going to be this 93 Chevy S10 pickup, also known as the baby. This is my daily driver. And in particular, it's going to be on that sliding rear window. This one happens to be an aftermarket CRLaurence automotive products. And if you have one that's a double window slider, this video is for you. This could be on standard cab, extra cab, any cab uses the same rear window, 82 to 93, also the S15, also the Isuzu, I believe was the same truck for several years there. And what it pertains to is the rear window lock. So what it had, and I say had, is a little lock that went across here, and it grabs onto this piece here. What happened to me was I was loading lumber in there for a shed that I was building, and I had damaged the lock at one time it wasn't quite slid out of the way and damaged it. Doesn't matter how it gets damaged, just matters if yours is damaged. So I had the piece and I saw it come off in my hand and I thought, oh, the metal ripped, I'm done. Well, I found out recently I'm not done. CRLaurence actually makes a replacement latch kit. This thing was actually screwed on, bolted on, not part of the window frame, which I thought for a while since I had broken it. Just was looking up a replacement window and noticed that this is the kit that I need. And it bolts on. So, lucky day. Let me open this up, show you what I got. So would you look at that? It literally goes on with two little screws. I never looked at it. I thought I needed a whole new window. Over $300 at the time of filming. This clip was very cheap. I will put a link in the description. It is an Amazon buy. You can find it other places, but that's where I found it, and then the link will be in the description. So I got a close-up shot here. I got you in here with me. So the piece is still here. Oop, the piece is still there, half screwed in there. This side, I'm not sure if it's bent. I know when the lumber went in there, I think I probably bent that. I'm going to just hold the other one up to it and see if it's bent. But anyway, off camera, I can't get the tripod in here to get a shot. I'm just going to take those two screws off. We're going to put that half on, and then this half I'm going to have to hold up, like I say, and see if the angle's right. If not, I could probably just bend it back, but I don't want to bend it one way or another and then snap that rear window, in which case I will be needing a $300 replacement. So let me do that, bring you back. So there's the half that came off, and I got the little screws that it came with. Anyway, let's compare the new one versus the old. This one is just a little sharper bend, so mine might have been bent just a hair. So I'll put the new one. It came in the package, so let's just put it so we get the original amount of clamping tension that it's designed for. Got you back in here with me. I hereby declare that window slider lock Wildwood certified. Thanks for watching.